Hello, welcome to our project about the Dell. To many at UVA, it just seems like a simple pond next to Ivy Road. But wait, there's actually something more unexpected. There's more. The Dell can run all the way back here and even further back where it connects to Meadow Creek. Here the water gets split into two different areas. On the left you see it gets sent to a storm water drain, while on the right it continues to flow all the way to the Dell Pond you see up next to Ivy, where it also serves as a flood management resource. Here's the main stormwater management drain that takes much of the water from Meadow Creek and sends it to the main pipe that runs under Ivy Road. But some of it is still sent to the Dell, which you see closer to Ivy, where the pond takes care of the rest and reduces some of the sediment in the water and makes it cleaner as it runs into that same pipe.
Installed along Meadow Creek are two bioretention basins that are designed to facilitate infiltration and removal of pollutants, absorb stormwater overflow, and facilitate the ecosystem. So at this point, Meadow Creek spills into the pond, which is broken up into two basins. The first part is the forebay where sediment is collected, and then goes over the weir, which agitates the water to give it additional oxygen, and then it goes into the main portion of the pond, where eventually it is entered into a pipe that is under Emmett Street that goes towards the Rivanna River.
This is the part of the Dell where people hang out. There is a hiking trail here, and over there there's a pipe that goes directly to the Rivanna River. And as you guys can see, people use the Dell for recreational activities. There are people fishing over there, and you can also, use the hiking trail and just hang out here and enjoy the scenery. Anybody? Ezra, so talk to us about the biggest fish you caught here. What was the biggest thing you caught?
With my friends at 20 pounds.
Wow, in this pond?
Yeah.
Okay, so you come here. And what else do you guys do here at the pond besides fishing?
Probably ride around.
In a bike?
As we just saw, the main flow through the Dell system is the water itself, but this water gives rise to other entities like people doing recreational activities, animals trying to find an environment, as well as plants being able to grow. Also, there's a sediment buildup within the pond once it's cleaned out from the way the pond is created. We also see through the whole life cycle that inputs include the endowment from JPJ, as well as actual materials used to build it, whereas outputs are clean water management, a nice space for people to use, but there are also drawbacks of unexpected maintenance costs and sediment buildup, and increased foot traffic near neighborhoods. From here, we'll look at other factors such as wind patterns and the geography of the area.
We'll analyze the air and wind condition of the site based on the EPW data. On the top left part of the slide are the dry bulb temperature, dew point temperature, relative humidity, and the wind speed. And there is a psychrometric chart generated based on the data above in order to reflect the thermal comfort of visitors. On the right are several wind rolls generated based on season. And as we can see, the warm and moist wind from the Atlantic Ocean dominates in summer, while the cooler air from northwest dominates in winter.
This is the Dell plan that shows the changes in topography. Each topography line is approximately 2 to 4 feet height difference, and it also shows the possible flood zone, which is the low level around the creek if the current water management system is not put there. This is the side view of the topography changes along with the current water line for the Dell, the creek path, and the possible flood boundary, similar to the previous one, and how the water could flow